So what we do is we will start with dancers in first position. So we'll start with our feet looking like a pizza pie, heel to heel. And this is another part of our dance technique. So all dancers, by the time they are in 7th grade, should know how to do a chaine. So for some of them, this is the very first time that they are learning to do this. When they are in 6th grade, they should be able to do a chaine on their feet, but flat-footed. Now, here we go. We want to start as if we're holding a bouquet of flowers. When we start, we want to raise our arms and point our foot. And we just want to look over to the right, everyone. Good. Let's try it again. So we're just going to do it from a preparation. Here we go. Rise to look. One more time. So ready? I want everybody to watch and see where my arm is going, okay? 5, 6, 7, we'll rise. And I want everybody to look at the window. Look at the window. Good. Okay, now, one more time. What I want you guys to do is, so ready, I want everybody real quick to only use their feet. So I'm bringing my foot out, and then I will bring it over. There you go. Go right again. Let's find that pizza slice. Here we go. Out and over. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Out and over. 5, 6, 7, 8. Out and over. 5, 6, 7, 8. Out and over. Now just your hands will go up and look. Good. Just your arms. You'll go up and turn. Good. 5, 6, 7, go up and look. There you go. Good job. Now let's bring it together. 5, 6, 7, rise to open. Okay, I'm gonna look so I can watch you guys. Good. If you find that your foot isn't going at the same time as your arms, that's okay. Try to get one and then the other. But good job.